Afternoon, even hotter in the Dalles where it's 96. Joseph, you're tracking that fire. It looks like you have fast-moving clouds, but that's smoke.
It's smoke, yeah, and the wind's been pushing about 20 miles per hour, so that smoke has been going across that camera for the last half an hour plus, and it continues to kind of permeate in that direction, I think, from the west over to the east, because the wind is running from the north and northwest. So you can see the trees blowing at this hour. This is our Columbia Gorge Community College camera once again. I do want to talk more about this because we have conditions going on for the next day or two. So yes, tonight temperature's going to drop. I looked back, and overnight in the Dalles, the relative humidity went up to about 60% last night, and it hit 102. So I expect the relative humidity to again reach about that mark overnight tonight. And the higher that is, the better, because the fuels exchange moisture, and that relative humidity is a good gauge of that. So the higher that is, usually the better. You can see 30, this is 30% coming out of Portland. So it's not very dry. In fact, it's going to get drier the next couple of days. So that's why I want to kind of focus on what's going on not only tonight, but Thursday and Friday, because there's a fire weather watch right there from the Dalles extending over towards the east in Pendleton, and anticipating that relative humidity to drop to about 10 to 20%, and the wind gusting to about 40 miles per hour. So if this was maybe tomorrow or Friday, we'd be even more concerned, but hopefully they could get a good gauge on what is going on there, and they could tackle that heading into tonight. Okay, fire weather danger. This is through Keep Oregon Green here. Watch what happens as we go into Thursday and Friday. It kind of zooms on up to about a level 6. This is a scale here, and once it starts to get into that 5, 6, 7 range, it's factoring the wind, how dry it is, all the conditions, and we want to see that number down at 1 or 0. We just don't want to see it increase. But the next couple of days, we are definitely concerned about the fire danger there in that region. I'll show you in the wind gust forecast what happens. Here's 4 p.m. This is now a weather model, and it's going to take us through the overnight hours. So it's not what is exactly going to happen, but watch what happens as we get to about Thursday afternoon. The wind starts to increase right through areas of the lower Columbia Basin there, and we'll start to notice that we have some very gusty conditions. Again, that's why the fire danger is going to go up, and that is going to be a concern, and that's why the fire weather watch is in place Thursday and into Friday. The wind will settle down hopefully into Saturday, but we have 2 really tough days coming, so just know that. All right, maybe a couple thunderstorms developing this afternoon. We have a weak system just off towards the west that will move on by for our Thursday, and again, that's going to increase the wind around here. Seaside, though, beautiful view. Look at that, 62 degrees. Some lower 70s along the Oregon coast the last few days, so it's been very nice. Futurecast through Wednesday there. Notice those are those thunderstorms that we may be tracking heading into tonight. Thursday, a bit of a break. Notice that marine layer tries to push on in a little bit farther, but I don't think it reaches the valley just quite yet. So we're okay on our Thursday. Probably more the weekend when we start noticing more clouds. But Thursday evening, I'm watching for some thunderstorms to develop there on the east side. So Baker City, if you're paying attention, this will be in your region. We may have some strong thunderstorms developing tomorrow evening because of all the heat and some colder air moving in aloft, which makes things a little unsettled. We get to Friday, though, I think we dry on out and we're not going to be dealing with much, but I mentioned those thunderstorms tomorrow. Look at this, marginal risk. We don't see that very often, so I am anticipating maybe some heavier thunderstorms, bringing some hail, maybe some lightning for tomorrow evening. So just know that. Again, Baker City, maybe even extending out towards Pendleton. All right, 7-day forecast, 82 degrees tomorrow, so still pretty warm, but not in the 90s. That gives us a bit of a break. 79 degrees on Friday. As we head into the weekend, those temperatures do cool down. About 67 degrees on Sunday. Guys, we had an opportunity for a little bit of rain this weekend, but it just doesn't look like much. Maybe Sunday extending into Monday, we may get some spotty showers, but soaking rain, I don't see it.
All right, Joseph, thank you.